How to place picture-in-picture in ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can place picture-in-picture mode in ClipChamp. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, open up ClipChamp and head over to the project. There you can tap on import media and go ahead and import the media. I've already imported media here, as you can see. Now, once you have imported media here, right, what you want to do is, in order to add a picture-in-picture mode here, so you want to add another image as an overlay, or you just want to add it here. What you want to do is you can simply go ahead and import media. So let me import it another image here. And once you have imported it, all you got to do is drag it, and on your timeline, make sure you drag it above the background. So this way, if you put it below, you can see it will not appear. So you want to make sure it is above the background, and then you can go ahead and adjust it here. So you can also add video similarly, right? Not only images, you can add videos as well. So this is how you can add picture-in-picture mode on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.